Hello guys, in this video I wanted to share the beauty of this village. This is a treasure of the Philippines. So I wanted to repeat again. It is like Switzerland in the Philippines. Look at the view, guys, stunning. And I am really crazy about to see this view again and again because this is not a Photoshop. This is just as it is, the real beauty of the country, the sky and the mountains. uh, the road is going middle of the garden, so both side there are gardens. The wind is coming fresh, and the smell of the garden. In this video I am not going to add any music or drone footages. Just sit behind me on my motorbike and look the beauty of this country and enjoy, guys. Here mostly the people, they are doing gardenings because they are the owners of the land, so they don't need to find something else. And since they were born and they grow up here, they learn the job from their parents. So they love it, they love the life, they love to do the gardening, enjoying the nature. Here mostly cold because it is very high. Anyway, Benguet is different than lowland, so very peaceful. And I like this kind of adventure. This is what I was looking for. I was carving to explore and enjoy the adventure. That's why I prefer my motorbike, so that I can go inside where the buses, taxis couldn't go, inside the heart of city. Sorry, heart of the villages. It is like a cinematic footage. Look at the view, guys. Exclusively I take this ride. I put some time and ride inside the village for to show you. In the previous vlog you can see I drove very long and very hard ride because I just wanted to see this amazing view. You can listen the sound of the wind. The wind is carrying the smell of the garden. The houses they build according to their lifestyle. It is they are farmers, so they love to live in the garden. So their houses are just beside their gardens, and the houses are very big. Actually, in each houses there are 4, 5, 6 rooms inside. In Europe, if you want to buy an apartment with 6 room or 5 room, you have more than 350,000 euro. So yes, of course, they are not modern, but the people, they live their life comfortably. Actually, they are more richest people than the people who are living in abroad. Even my motorbike is a small bike. I really enjoy the adventure. The important for me is the adventure. I love the view. It is very rough. I love it. The truck is carrying the manure for the garden. It is a big garden, so they bought a lot. Ah. So guys, I am almost at the end of the village province, so I am going to end the video here. I hope you enjoy the view as I enjoy. So I will see you in with another vlog, guys. Oh, here is a breakdown. A ride, a driver need help.